how to subscribe to a data plan with Etisalat or 5. Okay, so this is a monthly subscription that I'm going to do to illustrate this tutorial. So you dial *101 hash. All right, that is 5. I'm subscribing for 5. You know 5? Yeah, it's part of Etisalat. Okay, then you call *101 hash, you dial, and then they will come. All prices are subjected to 5% VAT. So you go to option number 2, that is data. You click on, you type in 2, okay, to choose the option for data. If you want to check balance, then you click 1 to check data balance. All right, then if you want to do now 3, that's what you want to do, the new 28 monthly, data plan. If you want social, you do social, but I want to do local, that is 2. Okay, so now you can click on add, because they said they'll give you 150 per day at 200 kbps. Okay, renewed every 28 days for just RMS 20. That is the social plan. Okay, if you just want like to use for WhatsApp, if you want to use for Facebook and WhatsApp, social plan only. Okay, you can't use Telegram, you can't use Instagram, you can't use YouTube, you can't use Google or search, only WhatsApp and Facebook. Okay, but now let's do the local data for 33. The social plan is for 20, but now the local data is 33. Okay, so again, enjoy 150 MBs. They'll give you these 150 MBs every day. Okay, every day they'll give you 150. So when they lapse, you wait for the next day. It just to help you, I think, minimize on the usage. So 150 per day, yeah, like that's cool. Okay, and then now if you want to do double data, the one for 50, it includes data for 50, and then social for the 20. Okay, enjoy local data of that at that. Okay, now you want to be sure. If you already have a plan, you click on remove. If you don't have a plan, like right now, you want to add. I'll just showing you other different options. Okay, guys, I'm outdoors. Please excuse me for the noisy stuff. Okay, so now remember the message they sent for you. If you already have a plan, some of you said, oh, they'd be chopping my money for nothing. No, it's not for nothing. You subscribed and you didn't unsubscribe. Okay, I'll show you in the end of this video. Now khalas, now let's add. Okay, if it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe and click on that bell notification so you know whenever I upload a new video. So it's just read and see the option that you want that will work for you best, and depending on your money that you have or your recharge that you have right now. So as you can see, dear customer, your request to subscribe to a monthly local data plan has been completed successfully. You can use 150 MBs of local data daily at 200 kbps. So as kbps, kilobytes per second, right? Speed, I don't know. Okay, as skeptical are thinking, oh, maybe that will be so slow, but with local data 200, it's super fast. Your plan will be renewed automatically after 28 days for AED 33. Okay, to unsubscribe, send CCLS 150M to 1012. To manage your subscriptions, visit my Etisalat UAE app or dial *101 hash. So you can go to, you download your my Etisalat app, and then you can manage your account from there as well. So I just wanted to show you the messages. Dear valid customers, you have used of your social plan. I had a social plan, that's why you're seeing all these. Okay, so I was just trying to see when I subscribed. So I wanted to see how many days are remaining. I think I subscribed on the 8th of September 2023. Yeah, so I think remaining 3 days, okay, to end the plan. So I was looking for if there was that put for me cancel or something like that, but yeah. So dear 5 customer, congrats, you have received 2 GB free. Free local data valid for 1 day. Okay, 24 hours. Enjoy 2 GB free local data every time you buy monthly minutes data or pack through. Five app. So you can download the Fiverr app and be buying your monthly subscriptions there, and you can be getting your 2 GB every time you subscribe. Okay, it lasts for 1 day. I've struggled to use this 2 GB since yesterday. Okay, yesterday was 4th, today is 5th. Okay, so I subscribed to this plan on 4th yesterday, and today is 5th, and they're telling me I think today I've used 80% of that 2 GB. It's a cool deal. So if you have your videos to download on YouTube or what okay, so if you want to check the balance, you dial *135# and it will send for you the balance in the message, and then it will bring for you data packs. Okay, before it sends a message, you have to select the second option of data packs if you subscribe for voice, but now this one is data. Now you want to click on the first one. Put number 1 as the option that you want to see. That is the data balance. And when you do that, they'll tell you, dear customer, soon you receive SMS regarding your data consumption, and in just less than 3 seconds the message is already in your what is called the phone. Okay, dear valid customer, you have consumed 0 MBs of your monthly low speed plan. We've used 0. Okay, you have consumed 0.3 MB of your 150 MB of your monthly. You remember I had a monthly social gundi, and your plan is due to renew on 5th. It renews every day, so they give you the things like daily 150 MBs for that date, for the 24 hours. When they end, then it's automatically another one, but in the 1 month. I hope you get the difference. Okay, in the 1 month subscription, just to help you maybe like minimize plan program. You say every day I have 150 MB, so what am I gonna do with this 150 MB? So you can plan. It's not very expensive, literally. If you see 33, you guys consider getting a 5 SIM card, by the way. 5, it's a family of Etisalat, but 5, the SIM card has orange and white colors. Okay, orange or purple and white so far. Yeah, apparently, I mean, so okay, like that's when you'll be able to get this pack for only 33 Arabian dirhams, and you'll be able to get 150 MBs every day. For the 28 days it will be renewing automatically. But if the 28 days elapse, before the 28 days, now you unsubscribe, you send unsubscribe to the other numbers you see in the message. So please, ladies and gentlemen, sorry this video was a little bit interrupted by the noises. There's construction going on, but when the program for this has come, I have to do this, so I don't have another time again. All right, so let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and check for the Telegram account in the description or in the bio of my channel. And I hope to see you in the next video. Also, if you want to subscribe to my another channel, Mathake Mirembe, we talk about dating, relationships and marriage, family related talk, life. Okay, you can subscribe to Mathake Mirembe, and let's keep in touch. All right, please like this video, give it a thumbs up. Again, turn on your bell notifications, because for me, I don't have like a schedule like every Monday or every Tuesday. No, me, whenever I get time, whenever I get content, whenever I get a tutorial, whenever someone asks a question and I have that video, I do that video. That's when I upload it. So turn on the bell so you know whenever I upload. Until the next time, bye.